In this part, I'm going to list all the services that use Apache Spark, starting by the HD Insight, the Azure Databricks, the Synapse Analytics. I'm going also to define all these services.
With the variety of Apache Spark data services that are available on Azure, the following table outline of where the Azure Synapse Analytics Apache Spark pool fit in a ecosystem. For example, for the Apache Spark, what is an open source memory optimized system for managing big data workload. The Azure HD Insight is a Microsoft implementation of opened Apache Spark managed within the realm of the Azure. Azure's Databricks is an advantageous analytics managed Spark as a services solution. The Apache Spark for the Azure Synapse is embedded Apache Spark capability within Azure Synapse Analytics, residing on the same platform that contain data warehouse and data integration capability, as well as the integrated with the other Azure services. When the Apache Spark want to benefit of Apache Spark for a big data processing and a data science workload without a service layer SLA of the provider. The HD Insight when you have the benefits of OS Spark for SLA of the provider. For the Databricks, the provider end-to-end data engineer and data science solution on a managed platform. For the Apache Spark for the Azure Synapse that enable organization without existing Apache Spark implementation to fire up an Apache Spark cluster to meet data engineering need with the overhead of the Azure of the Apache Spark platform listed. Who for the Apache Spark open source for professional. For the HD Insight Open Source Professional, Writing SLA and Microsoft Data Platform Expert. The Azure Databricks, the data engineer and the data science work on a big data project every day. For the Apache Spark for Synapse, data engineer, data science, data platform expert, and data analysis. Why? For the Apache Spark, to overcome the limiting of the semantic multiprocessing system imposed on a big data workload. For the HD Insight, to take the advantages of the OS big data analytics perform SLA in place to ensure business continuity. The Azure Databricks, it provides the ability to create and manage end-to-end big data science project within one platform. For the Apache Spark for the Azure Synapse, it provides the ability to scale efficiently with the Apache Spark cluster within one-stop shop analytics platform to meet your needs.